Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your crypto from Robinhood. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets to a personal wallet or just wanting more control over your investments, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's get started. First off, before you begin, make sure you have an external wallet ready. This could be a hardware wallet like Ledger, a software one like MetaMask, or even another exchange. Security is crucial, so double-check that your wallet is set up correctly and you're aware of any associated fees. Now, log into your Robinhood account using the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Crypto tab. It's usually front and center in your portfolio. Here, you'll see all your holdings. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, if it's Bitcoin, tap on it to open the details page. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw button. It might be under a menu like More Actions. Once you find it, you'll be prompted to enter the wallet address. This is where your crypto will go, so paste it carefully and verify it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Robinhood will often let you scan a QR code if you're using a mobile wallet, super handy. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there could be network fees based on the blockchain, so check Robinhood's estimates first. Review all the details on the next screen to ensure everything looks right. Hit Confirm to process the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation message, and that's it, your transaction is on its way. Processing times vary, but it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the crypto and network congestion. A quick word of caution. Always withdraw to a wallet you control and never rush the process. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and remember, managing your crypto safely is key to building your portfolio. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.